Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's our pleasure to be back on stage in front of such an amazing audience of banking experts here at Finovate Europe. I'm Gregor Biren, Chief Executive Officer, and on the demo table is Slavko Milojevic, Director Product. Today, we will show you next level customer experience in digital banking based on augmented reality. We will show you how you will win new customers, how you will innovate banking and lead innovation, and how you will save money by increasing efficiency. Slavko, let's start the demo. Now let's think about John. John is retail banking customer of FINTENSE bank. He's actually a big fan of Apple, which just recently launched a new iPhone 14 device. John wants to buy it, but can actually not afford it this month. On the way to the office, John receives a notification from his bank that there is actually a new business partnership in place between the bank and a company called Technomax, which is actually the leading electronics store in the city where John lives. This business partnership is helping for John to get good discounts, early access to products, but also instant financing capabilities. Since one store is next to John's office, he decides to test that feature immediately. And he clicks on the notification, gets logged in his banking application, and redirected to a section called World of Discount. World of Discount is the area where partners can cross and upsell their products together with banking customers, so with special partnerships. Since there are already other partners onboarded, which John is not really interested, he just clicks on Technomax and sees the offering for Technomax. Offering is instant financing and a virtual shopping experience. So he clicks virtual shopping, stands in front of the iPhone and the iPhone box, and just puts his phone there. His personal virtual banker is actually presenting him details about the hardware and the device, gigabyte, etc. And she is also educating him on options to finance the product. So he's interested and clicks on Buy Now. The bank is calculating 3 options for him. He can finance the phone in 12, 24, or 36 installments. So John starts sliding and actually trying to understand what is the best fit for him and his income. And he actually starts with 24 months because this is around 68 euros a month he needs to pay for. He clicks on Finalize Purchase. And in the background, in real time, the bank is doing the entire scoring, is actually using his credit history, transactional history, and on spot approving that lending facility, providing a QR code which enables John to check out cashless at the point of sales in store. So no cash, no card, it's immediately done and he can take the phone home. He goes back to the office, plays the entire day with his phone, is super happy. When he comes home, he shares the good news with his wife, but actually his wife is not so happy with it. And she starts challenging about how much they spent this month. She wants to understand if they can actually afford what he bought here. So he slides to the widget of spending history for that month, which overall looks pretty okay, and his wife calms down a bit, but she asks him, okay, now show me some more details, yeah? So John clicks on the widget, puts the bank card on their dining table in front of them, and actually visualize a few categories they defined together a few months ago about their spending behaviors. So they see actually how much they spend for food, for fun, for traveling, for home and car, of course, and they see the March, February, and January, so the last quarter. Actually, everything looks good, especially for March, but his wife is still not so happy and asks him, good, can you show me more details, please? Can you show how we defined the budget and how these single transactions are listening up? So he says, no problem, let me just open my personal finance manager, which he is doing on spot, goes to the section Control Spending, where again, they see the categories from before. He guides her through food and restaurants, so they see, okay, sushi, Burger King, and some other stuff. They go into travel and transportation, which actually is train ticket Hilton, and they end up with fun, which is the actual payment for Technomax. So what is the overall spending? Overall spending is 30%, around 900 euro for that month, and the spending left for March is 70%. Since this is already mid of March, is very relaxed, and both of them are happy with the new phone and enjoying the evening with a good glass of red wine. So now, what we have shown. We have shown how you can win new customers, how you can lead innovation and execute innovative banking, and how you can actually increase efficiency by automation. With FINTENSE, we are already enabling banks to deliver seamless customer engagement on any touchpoint. We call that omnichannel. We deliver the right content for customers' context. We are very much focused on exceptional and innovative user experience. One case we have presented today with personal finance management, augmented reality, but we have also conversational banking with chat and voice bot. And we are very much focused on end-to-end automation of customer-facing processes, like digital account opening or digital lending. And that's actually what Slavko was now presenting already in the back, how easy it is to get a cash loan on your mobile device. So if you want to get to know John now or learn more about FINTENSE, our booth is just out there. So if you have time during the cocktail reception, we're more than happy to share a bit more insights about what we do, how we do, and give more use cases. If you're not interested to meet John, check out our LinkedIn page, our new blog launching today, or actually our website. Please vote for us. Thank you very much.